Hi friends, welcome back to this week's video. So today we are going to try and style our hair for an evening or a simple party that you may have. So my hair is wet, a little bit damp, and I'm going to add gel to it such that I hold it all down. I'm using the Cantu styling gel. I'm going to use quite a generous amount. Then I'm going to hold the hair and wait for the gel to dry up. Okay, so I'm going to use Twisted Up X-pressions, a springy Afro twist. Let's check our hair. Okay, it has dried well. I am using 1.5 packs of the hair. Now I'm going to divide this hair like this and use half to make to cover my bun, like this. So my friends, that's our style for today. Such an easy style and very quick to do if you have to be going somewhere for an evening or a party. I hope you loved it, because I certainly do love it. So this is the end of our video for this week, and this is how simple it was to achieve this style. I hope you loved it. I hope you learned how to do it. I love it. It is something you can do when you're quickly rushing out of the house. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for watching our videos. For all those who are new, thank you so much for coming by. Those who are returning, thank you so much for the support. And those who have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. And until next week, cheers.